Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change your country in your eFootball. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to check which country you are or which region you are in, you need to simply tap open your eFootball app, and once you open it, you need to simply tap on your homepage. So once you're in your homepage, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to now select the option called user information. So once you tap on user information, you need to simply select user personal information as well. After doing this, you can find your country. Here I have United States of America. So there is no actual way to change another location in your eFootball app. However, if you go to your settings and go to your apps and select your eFootball app, you can simply find a storage setting. So simply go there and change all your data by refreshing it and tapping on clear data. Once you tap on clear data, all your data of eFootball will be rubbed or erased, and you will be able to change your region on your eFootball once again. So this is how you can change country in eFootball. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.